Hello, I'm Barbara Levin, and I'm here today with Pat Iyer, who is going to talk to us about having a LinkedIn site and what the key components of a LinkedIn site include.
LinkedIn is the biggest networking group for legal nurse consultants that exists. It is a business networking, which I'm emphasizing, as opposed to a social networking, although it's part of social media. It is the way that attorneys can find legal nurse consultants to help them with their cases. And it's a way for you as a legal nurse consultant to find attorneys who handle medical cases, and you can establish relationships with them through LinkedIn. Some of the keys for successful use of LinkedIn by legal nurse consultants include having a well-designed profile that uses keywords that show the benefits of an LNC working with an attorney, looking at the information that you're posting and doing it on an ongoing basis. And when I say ongoing basis, I mean that you're signing into LinkedIn more than once a month, or some people put up profiles and never return. When I'm looking for guests for my Legal Nurse podcast, which I've been doing for 7 years, I'm going to LinkedIn and looking for the people who are actively posting because I know they'll see my invitation. And I've selected them specifically because of their experience or their clinical focus. Many LNCs put on their timelines, "Hire me, Mr. Attorney. Did you know that you could use a legal nurse consultant to save you time and money?" Yes, many of them do know that, but you're not offering them value. You're simply going, if you envision in a room, going up to a person saying, "Hi, my name is Barbara Levin. I'm a legal nurse consultant. Hire me." Like, how would you react if somebody approached you in a room like that? When you post useful information, you post links to articles, you post links to your blogs, you put in headlines about news of medical issues that might be of interest to attorneys, you're adding value, and then you have the opportunity to engage in conversations and respond to the comments of the people who see your posts. When you strategically use LinkedIn and you visit it a couple times a week, devote 15 or 20 minutes to it, post something at least once or twice a week, you're taking advantage of the power of LinkedIn to be more visible, to build up your credibility, and to attract attorneys to you so that you can get cases and successfully use LinkedIn for the benefit of your business and of your clients.
Thank you so much for sharing that valuable information. We would like to invite you to attend our 7th virtual Legal Nurse Success Conference, where you will hear so much more about this topic and other topics for our virtual conference. Other topics include those that are clinical presentations, attorneys will be presenting, we have business topics, we have nationally recognized speakers, and Pat can talk to you about one of our keynote speakers.
The topic of the good nurse has been hitting the Netflix world, and the book itself has been out for a few years. The good nurse is a person named Charles Cullen who is currently serving, I think, 7 life sentences. Think about that. He has to be in prison for 7 times what his normal lifespan would be for systematically killing patients for 17 years. One of the prosecutors involved in the case contacted me and hired me to help him determine which patients Charles killed in a specific hospital. Joining me in that session at the conference is Dr. Kathleen Ashton, who was hired by the plaintiff attorneys representing the families of some of the people Charles killed. Our focus will be on what a legal nurse consultant does when presented with that dilemma. We know who killed, we know people died. Our job was to put it together, to make the links between Charles and the victims. We also will have an attorney, Sam Davis, who handled and successfully settled a case involving a man who accidentally electrocuted himself and set his clothing on fire. One of my coaching clients, Nancy Stuck, was the legal nurse consultant who wrote the expert fact witness report to summarize his medical injuries. In this conference, there's a mix of inspiration, knowledge, networking, and support, with sessions presented by business experts, attorneys, experienced legal nurse consultants, all designed to help you with actionable information so that you can grow your business, network with people, get more cases, and get inspired again. All from the comfort of your own home. No airfare, no food, no pet care, no parking, no hotel bills, no additional expenses. Once you enroll in the conference, your expenses don't extend to anything else. They are the ability, in this case, to sit in your home and watch the conference from the comfort of your desk chair. Yes, we'll give you breaks. You won't be planted in front of the monitor the entire time. This is our 7th conference that you can join by using the link below. It will be March 23, 24, and 25, 2023. And the link is lnc.tips/March 2023 virtual.
We are confident that you will walk away with so much new information, as well as meeting and greeting legal nurse colleagues, attorneys, and others. We know that you'll have a wealth of information. So we look forward to seeing you.
Join us.